fantastic. There were some really interesting presentations, and thank you all for attending. I mentioned the evaluation form this morning. That has got a question in there about what you'd hope to do with what you found out today in the future, and we'll be really interested in that feedback and we'll circulate it. I also mentioned the training directory this morning, which Paul's just going to talk about. I just want to give one last plug. There's a form in the pack for anybody who's interested in becoming a member of the UCISA Skills Group Committee. We've got a vacancy at the moment, and we'd be very interested in having somebody take a more active role. So if anybody's interested, see you pack. Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Do you think now Helen's gone, we could do one of those and get the students on back on? Now she's gone. Okay, just to give you an idea, if you are thinking about joining the user skills group, but the sort of work that we do, obviously we organise these events. But something that we've been talking about as a concept is an online IT training directory. And included in the evaluation form that you've got is a question about what you think about that. Let me just give you an idea of the concept. What we're looking at is something that's close to UCISA members, it's online, but it's where you can look at what other training departments and trainers are doing, what version of Windows, what online learning materials are they using, what social media tools are they using, what are they using. And the reason we mention it now is to try to continue this idea of this sort of networking and building on social capital that we hope we've got across to you today, and the richness that it can reward you with. We want it to be more than just a mailing list, more than just email, which is, I think, something you've heard a couple of times today, at least. So, if you can spend a bit of time thinking about that and giving us your feedback, what we'll do is take that on board and then clearly start promoting or mocking up or taking it in the most natural way forward. You would be responsible for the details that were on there, the contact details, and updating it. So obviously it's not just a one-off where you put it up there and leave it. Again, akin to a lot of the social media and the networking features that you've heard about today. Ultimately, what we'd like to do on either an annual or biannual basis is use that information to create a sort of state of the nation for university and college IT training departments, very much like the TEL survey, if any of you are familiar with the TEL survey, that's done every couple of years about what VLEs are being used and different types of, different other aspects of IT in universities. So we would ask you to look out for that and give us as much feedback as you can. Thank you.
Right, that's it. Has anybody got anything they want to say? No? Right, well, thank you very much for coming. It's been a great day. Thank you again for all the presenters. And